my friends, and welcome to my channel. I am Jeanette Andromeda, and I look like a magical woodland fairy today because we are exploring all sorts of things today. We start in St. Louis and we head all the way to New Mexico, which covers about 1,277-ish miles. And, sorry, I'm wheezy because I have such bad asthma. But anyway, please ignore my wheezing. It's just an unfortunate side effect of living for me right now. But we do. We cover 1,277 miles. We go from St. Louis, Missouri, through Oklahoma, through Texas, all the way to New Mexico. And once we get there, we go on a enchanting adventure through the desert in New Mexico, exploring the wildlife and finding new animals and stuff to find, explore and meet. And I cannot wait to share that with you. So let's go. Oh my god, it is so bumpy. Especially in a U-Haul. U-Hauls are not great for cobblestone streets. Just so you know.
Oh, speed bump.
Speed bump. Ready, and... Oh my god, the ship is gonna fall over! At this street you're gonna turn left. On Carr Street. Yarr, Carr!
Oklahoma City.
Welcome to Texas.
So we were bemoaning the fact that we're seeing all of these beautiful things in all of these beautiful places, and we hadn't stopped yet. So we're stopping for a little sunset drone-a-thon. Last night we got to Albuquerque, New Mexico. We were so tired, I didn't record an outro to the day or anything. Alright, no vlogging and driving, okay? Just want to share my dry-mouthed fear with you for a moment. We're in the Gila National Forest, and it's beautiful. We're in New Mexico, but we're on this crazy, twisty, turny road where at any given point in time, if you look down, it's like a sheer drop into trees and rocks, and I'm terrified. it is not that late at night, but it feels very late at night. We are in the mountains somewhere in New Mexico. It's delightful. The stars are super bright. I don't know, I'm super sleepy. I definitely am having some altitude sickness. But oh my gosh, these towns are so cute and the area is so beautiful, and I'm so glad to be out here. Altitude sickness or not. Anyway, more later. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. Seriously, it means the world to me that you're here right now and the fact that you made it all the way to the end of the video. One thing I wanted to mention. In this video, I'm doing a lot of close-ups on plants and finding little bugs and things and just getting like uncomfortably close to them. And the reason for that is because I intend to use a lot of this video and a lot of this photos and stuff that I took on this trip as references for artwork later. And that ties into a conversation I was having with one of my friends, actually a couple of my friends recently, which is references are important to use with your artwork. You're going to see a massive improvement in your art. Whoa, hopefully you can hear anything with the wind that just happened. Fiona Fury! But seriously, I think it's important to use references. If you don't use references, it takes a lot longer to improve as an artist. And don't give each other hate for using references. Come on, like, younger artists do get kind of bullied for using references, and that's not the way it needs to be. Support each other. Just, there is a proper way to use references, and it's to take chunks and borrow and mutilate and reinvent. And by reinventing and doing things yourself, it becomes your art. In fact, there's a whole book called Steal Like an Artist because we're particularly good at it. And I don't mean like we're running into things and actually stealing stuff, or tracing someone's artwork and calling it our own, or borrowing something off the internet and just putting it on our portfolio website. That is actual stealing, and that is not okay. Using references is not stealing. It's research. How are you supposed to know what a tree looks like unless you really go look at one or have photos of one? How am I supposed to know how to paint oddish if I don't have a reference for it? It's all important, and you have to use it, and that's how you grow as an artist. So Ace, keep using references and keep drawing. I know you can do this. You're important, and you deserve this. Okay, that's all I have to say today. I will get off my soapbox now and go explore more of this magical wonderland that is my backyard. Yay! Do, 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 do. Don't trip, don't trip, don't trip. And yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notification bell and all that goodness, because there are more arty adventures coming along in the future. Thanks! Bye! He was talking to me. Yeah, you! How's your day going? You having a good day? Sitting on a tree? Cat calling me? Yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. All right. Have a good one.